Effectively communicating with your target in today's hyper-connected but fragmented digital world is complicated, which is why we created IntelliG, an ingenious marketing solution that harnesses the power of mobile, text, voice broadcast, email, and social media in one turnkey platform. So how does it work? Let's take a quick look at Sarah, a property manager for Midtown Apartments, and just one of the many types of customers who benefit from using IntelliG. Sarah used to be overwhelmed by constantly having to print notice after notice to keep her tenants informed. Such a waste of time and money. But now she uses IntelliG's one-stop mobile solution, which enables her to organize tenants by groups and send out notices to one tenant or all tenants instantly. So whether she wants to contact a family about a package that's been delivered or needs to alert the entire building about a severe weather warning, IntelliG is now Sarah's go-to solution. In addition, IntelliG is also great for marketing purposes. Sarah created the keyword Midtown, so now when apartment hunters text Midtown to her IntelliG phone number, they automatically get added to her contact list. IntelliG's affordable and environmentally friendly solution is perfect for property managers like Sarah, along with schools, healthcare, social groups, religious groups, and many more who are looking for a better way to reach their audience. Sign up today for a free trial at IntelliG.com. IntelliG, intelligent communication for business.